Hello, my name is Martin Sagbonlaho. I'm here to present this book written by Osazuwa Ọmẹdẹ, our son, our brother, our comrade, our compatriot. This book is called Waghiaghaz'Edo. It's a practical guide to learning the Edo language. The book is very, very rich indeed. And I join you to get a copy for yourself because it's very, very, very interesting indeed. It's intellectually captivating, so much so that when you begin to read it, you won't let it go. I know what I'm talking about because I did the editing of this book. I also wrote the blurb, or what you call the synopsis. I did that. So the book is very, very, very rich. So I want you, comrades, brothers and sisters, to join up with Ọmẹdẹ and get yourself a copy so that you will know the